Hey everybody, Dave from Hayne Marine Electric here. You see behind me we have a brand new 2021 Sabre45SE. It's going to be one of our next installations. This was just delivered last week. She's beautiful. Bright white Sabre45SE. Volvo IPS pod propulsion. These have Seakeeper stabilizers installed in them from the factory. Looks like the guys from Freedom Lift just finished up their lift installation. We're going to be installing our standard Sabre package on this with many updates and add-ons. These come from the factory with the Garmin Volvo glass bridge already built into the helm, as well as the autopilot through IPS. And I'm not sure, this one might have dynamic positioning system on it. There's the Seakeeper display. We're going to be fitting out the entire boat. The hardtop obviously is bare right now. We'll be fitting the mast, ACR, LED spotlight. We're going to have two KVH domes. One's a TV5 for satellite television. The other one's going to be a matching empty dome, which we're going to install a lot of our sensors, as well as a high power boosted amplified cellular solution for the owner to have internet connection at all times while on board. We'll be installing traditional Airmar B60 transducer, as well as the Garmin Panoptix Live Scope Forward, AIS system, VHF radio. We're going to do DirecTV receivers to all the televisions. There's a pop-up television here. Guest VIP stateroom. Master V-berth. Master head. A lot of storage in these boats built under the stairs and the floor. There's an entire storage compartment here. And then in this model, there's a very large storage compartment here with laundry facilities, built-in freezer refrigerator combo. Sabre started pre-wiring most of our cables from the factory on these, which helps a lot to save time and speed up the process of installation. Seakeeper 6. Used to be a Seakeeper 5 in this model, and they upgraded to the 6 if I recall. Full Victron Energy package from the factory. Sabre uses excellent materials and products in all of their boats, and they're just top notch. They're built really well. We rig quite a few of them for down east yachting and back coves as well. Some of our favorite boats. There's some of the pre-wire. Onan generator. Volvo D6 650s. There you have it. Look forward to getting this project done, and we'll do an update video when she's all completed. Dave from Hayne Marine Electric here. Thanks for watching the video.